So I'll be showing you how to enable or disable disconnection alerts on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. So basically, your watch will alert you when it gets disconnected from the phone, and that's useful in case you leave your phone behind somewhere. Maybe you forget it on a counter or forget it at home. Your watch will beep once it gets disconnected from your phone. So to enable or disable that feature, open up the Huawei Health app on your phone and then tap on devices and then select your Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Now, on that watch's page, scroll down and tap on device settings. And then you should see this option called remind when disconnected. And you can enable it from here. And also, if you want to, you can disable that option from right here. Let me just, sorry, I was kind of running low on battery. So this is where to enable or disable that function. All right. So I'm just going to leave it on for me. And that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.